welcome back and welcome to a new week. It's the end of Monday. Let's have a look at what we've seen with Nikola stock today. Now first we're going to start off by looking at the general trend for this stock, and you will see it's not really too impressive. All the way through the day we've seen a drop with no real recovery points basically since the market's opened. You'll see that from the highs of today we are down quite significantly, with the stock seeing a decline around 4% over the whole day according to Google Charts. So this is part of a wider trend that we see with Nikola since really Friday. If you look at it from Friday, the highs that we saw there, we are down about 13%. So the question is now, where do we go with Nikola? One thing that I have said before is that I'm looking for this level around the 1.1 mark, so obviously $1.10, to hold up. But where we are in the after hours now, the question is, will that be the case? Because with what we've seen throughout the day, we're seeing these drops coming in, and we're at some points dropping below that point. So it's like, will that level actually be able to hold up throughout the next week or so? Now, what I would also say for a bit of wider context today is it's not just this stock in particular that's down. When we look at the markets as a whole, the Dow is up a little bit only today, and a few of the other indices we're seeing are actually starting to turn red, such as the Russell 2000. Those who are up are only up by a small amount, and I think that is worth noting for the wider market context. But when we bring this back to Nikola, what I would say and what I have said before is, on the 5-day chart, we have also seen a massive spike for this stock. We've gone from about $1 all the way up to highs well over 120. So it's like, which trend are we going to see re-emerge? Now, what I would say when we look in a bit more detail is that this stock is coming to a point now where we're seeing some weakness, in my opinion, around that level of 110. If that isn't able to hold up in the next day or two, I'd be looking for this one to drop closer to $1, and I think this is a trend that we could have possibly expected with this stock based on what we've seen in the past couple of weeks. I mean, on the past month chart, for instance, we've seen Nikola stock show some weakness. We are recovering a little bit from our 0.95 high, but if it came to the overall trend with the stock, I personally wouldn't be looking to buy it right now. I know that we've talked in the past and very recently about some potential good news coming out with this company soon. I do believe that could be the case, and I think if I was looking to hold this one long term, it could be a buy. But based on today's price action, I'm going to reiterate what I said before. If I was looking to enter this one for a short term trade or even for a potential more long term position, I may be looking to hold out for a smaller drop. That's just my opinion, and I think this stock could potentially go lower, but of course it's just my view. Anyway, I want to know what you guys think in the comments. I just wanted to make a quick video on this one. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in our next one soon. Goodbye.